wishing all the women out there a very happy International Women's Day. I'm absolutely proud and elated to be part of Indies EdTech, where women are given equal opportunity to progress and thrive and grow their capabilities. Though I know that this is not the reality at the world level, but I'm hopeful that the world will change one day at a time, one woman at a time.
So, Women's Day for me means that we celebrate the achievement of women, how long they have come from where they started, and how we can achieve gender parity, whether it is at work or whether it is at home or at society at large. So, altogether, it's a celebration of being a woman, of knowing that we are equals and demanding equality for ourselves.
For me, Women's Day is a day where we celebrate women and women's empowerment. It is an international step where we recognize women's achievement, their powerful capabilities, and their strengths.
For me, Women's Day is a day where every woman should choose themselves. And for me, personally or professionally, on this day, I promise myself that I won't ever let my dreams or hopes fade away, whatever it may take. I'll always be there for myself.
Today I feel very fortunate that we, the women, get to celebrate our incredible successes at home, at work, and in the community by breaking barriers. Women's Day gives us the opportunity to amplify our successes, values, and stories globally.
Women's Day to me means celebrating the achievements and contributions of women to society as a whole. It works as a yearly reminder for all that women are a significant part, if not the more important part, in the world's scheme of things.
For me, Women's Day, the International Women's Day, which is celebrated on the 8th of March every year, is about recognizing and applauding the impressive work that all my female colleagues and friends, they do every day. It is also about asking, them to do more, because that's not it. They are capable of doing much more than what they are currently doing. Also, it's just an annual reminder of how far we have come towards achieving gender equality in the workplace and community, and how far we are yet to go with respect to the equality for the women in the world.
Happy Women's Day. I know the Women's Day is very special these days. Like every woman, every girl, everyone is celebrating this day personally and professionally. So it means a lot to us. If I can say, the main thing is the equality, which if we are celebrating this, and it makes us feel that we are equal in the society right now. So I love celebrating Women's Day.